Hey, how are you? Doing okay?
Hell yeah.
Sheriff's office. Hey, come here for a minute. Come here. Because they said something about you might be taking some stuff out of the department.
Out of there?
Yeah, you ain't got none in your bag?
My twin's in there though right now.
You got a twin in there?
Just like me.
Really? Wearing the same thing you got?
No. But she does got red hair. You better...
Okay.
When a Columbia County deputy responded to a routine shoplifting call at a Lake City Walmart, he expected a simple asset protection stop. He didn't expect to run into a psychological deflection tactic. The suspect, caught red-handed popping tags in a dressing room, didn't run immediately. Instead, she claimed she didn't exist. Or rather that her crimes belonged to an identical twin sister named Madison, who was still inside the store. Here is the body cam footage from this incident.
Come here, they said that you come out of the dressing room with a bunch of tags, popping tags. Is that true?
No, I got babies.
Okay. Well, come over here so we can figure it out.
Huh?
Come over here so we can figure it out. Where are you going to?
Nowhere. Hold on.
All right, listen.
What?
Don't do that. Nope. Austin, don't do it. Don't do it. 970, call me 6528 out of Florida. India, Hotel 1, 5 Gulf Pop. Hey, stop the car.
Dude, for real. Go.
Stop the car. Just hang on.
No,
a
because
minute.
I'm not about to be in trouble for something my motherfucker.
Okay.
No.
They said that they're witnessing you popping tags. Let's just figure it out.
But I wasn't.
Okay, that's fine. We'll figure it out. Pull up here for a minute, Austin.
What happened?
We're trying to get to the bottom of it. Loss prevention's got her in there popping tags off of items.
But I hear my twins in there too.
10-4 for me. I'm
My
dealt with that
twin
vehicle
is
up
in
here at
there too.
Walmart. Okay, you got a twin?
Yes.
She does, actually.
Okay, that's
She
fine.
ain't even came out yet.
Okay, that's fine. Did she ride up here with you?
No.
Alright. Austin, pull it up here real quick just so we can figure it out.
Why do I have to pull it? I didn't mean to.
Listen, dude, it's fine. If she ain't done nothing, we're gonna get to the bottom of it. I got you. I understand that. Alright. Just pull up here and let's figure it out.
Oh.
Can they pull me over down the road?
No.
Why? I've done another
Dude, they're saying that she's taking items out of there.
But I'm telling you, I have my baby shit, okay?
Okay, that's fine. And if you do, that's fine.
Her own shit, okay?
Alright, let's pull up here so we're not blocking this. We'll get it figured out.
Tell them to pull me over.
Don't work that way, man.
I mean, y'all are gonna miss her ass, because her ass was right behind me.
I did nothing wrong.
Okay, that's fine.
They can pull me over down the road.
Listen to me. Pull up here so we can talk.
I did nothing wrong.
Go.
77, Columbia. 43, the female that's fled out of the store and into a vehicle. Could be in that vehicle. Hey. 43. They're going to be headed out towards the Bascom Norris. A white male by the name of Austin in the vehicle. They're headed back towards Cedar Park. I got to get more 43 from AP, but they're advising that they were popping tags off the items and putting them in a bag.
She didn't stick around to let the deputy verify her story. She jumped into a black GMC Yukon driven by an associate named Austin and fled the scene. Minutes later, Lake City police and county deputies boxed the vehicle in at a nearby Shell gas station. What followed was a stubborn, tense standoff.
Some jewelry and other items.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Problem?
Austin?
Yeah.
Columbia, give me another unit over here. What y'all doing, man?
What do you mean?
11-51.
Why'd y'all take off from Walmart like that?
Well, I didn't have anything wrong
Because
with
neither one of us
that.
had anything to do with it. I have a twin sister, bro, and she's still in there in the dressing room.
It's not Jasmine. What is it?
My twin sister, like, he kept on saying, like, me and him had something to do with it. And I got out of there because my sister was in there doing dumb
Why are you
shit.
breathing so heavy? Where's your sister at?
She's
No,
gone.
she was
We
in it.
left her ass.
Who's your sister?
But she looked just like me, dog. We're identical twins.
Are y'all?
Hell yeah.
Y'all got ID?
Yeah, you actually look it up right there with wins.
Y'all got ID on you?
Fuck no.
You don't have ID?
No, you look my name up.
Okay.
I got an idea. Yeah. But the reason I left was because I didn't have the wrong.
No, but
That's fine.
she's still over there at the Walmart.
Well, question.
Yeah.
Got to give me my ID? Is it a traffic stop?
Left 59 from me. I'm 77. Yes, you did.
What's the traffic stop?
It's not a traffic stop.
So what I
Alright, nice.
It's an investigation is what it is. So give me the
I
ID.
give you my ID for
Yes, you do.
investigation?
If you want.
For what?
For resisting, if that's what you want to do. We can go that
I'm not
route.
resisting at all.
Okay, I'm doing an investigation run.
Why?
If you're not going to give me your ID, then yes, you are resisting.
How is that resisting them?
It's resisting without violence, without failure to identify yourself.
No.
Okay.
Okay, my name's Miranda.
I thought you had to have fucking...
Buddy, I'm not here by accident.
No.
Just so you know.
No, but I left because I didn't...
Okay, and I'm investigating it. If you didn't do anything wrong, then that's the big deal.
I mean, no, I'm saying that
Where
me,
the fuck the person was?
me as the driver didn't have to do the wrong regardless. Okay?
Well, we're going to figure all that out, man.
I mean, like, you look
Just
at security
cooperate,
cameras,
okay?
whatever. I mean...
And that's what they're doing. So, what's the big deal? I get your ID. What's the big deal?
Well, I'm just saying, it's like kind of weird that like
Weird?
yeah.
What's weird about it?
That the one cop told me I wasn't allowed to leave, and I was like, why? I've been sitting in the truck doing nothing wrong. Okay, I'm allowed to leave,
I went in
right?
there, check on my fucking
Well,
sister,
I don't know what the other officer told you,
and my fucking bitch ass sister was.
but you're not free to leave right now. So,
Okay.
what's your first name?
Miranda.
Miranda.
Hey. It's probably.
What's your middle name? It's not a big deal, man. We're just trying to figure out.
Oh, well, you know what I'm saying? Just like if the cop would have just been calm.
But I can't control what he does.
I know.
But don't take it out on me, okay?
But I mean, he didn't even go look to go see.
Well, he didn't have time.
What do you mean?
If you're leaving, he's
no,
trying
There's
to.
two other girls.
I mean, like that's what
Why you think
I
I
wouldn't have
do?
left. I wouldn't
Who
have
else
left.
is in there?
My twin sister and her friend Amanda.
What's your twin sister? What's her name?
Madison.
Okay. Left 59, not 71. Correction, not 70. 10-4. Apparently you're gonna have another female that is an identical twin to this female, Madison. She's still 10-12 in the store. They're supposedly signal 9 items in there.
Inside the truck, the suspect dug her heels in. She refused to provide an ID, heavily altercating with officers and aggressively claiming it was a case of mistaken identity. She repeatedly insisted she was completely innocent, yelling that she wouldn't take the fall for whatever her twin sister was doing back at the store.
But he's watched you. He wants the suspect get out from this vehicle.
Alright, that's her.
Ripped up white jeans and a white crop top. Yep.
This is Miranda. The other one is Madison. I've never met this one. I've met the other one.
And she's saying she has a twin sister in the
She
store.
does. They have a twin. She does have a
She's wearing
twin.
the exact same thing with a matching gray bag.
What's she claims?
Yeah, doubt that.
Alright, I'm gonna pull her out.
All right, get her. No, I'm not. You can say.
Are you 10-15?
Is he?
Yeah, we got her now. So.
Oh my lord.
Okay. We're about to pull.
Get out!
I'll call you back.
What are you? What's the hang up there?
I don't know, y'all are all three big as fuck.
Yeah, I'll be on.
Come on.
Okay. Oh shit, my pants got a hole in them. Hey, hold on.
Let go. Let
okay.
go of the shit.
I was just putting it down for you. Damn. You ain't have to do that.
I ain't doing nothing.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
You been
You're
rude as-
resisting. I ain't even said a word to you.
Hey, can I get somebody else handle my ass?
No. Hey, by the way.
Put a pipe too. I love it.
Just cooperate. You
Hey,
good.
what was about the card thing?
Can you stop
Card
moving,
thing?
please?
But look at my fucking wrist, dude. The fucking burn. A fucking burn on my arm. Damn.
Go on.
Good. I love it. I'm used to it. Now, I got a hole in my pants.
I'll let you
She got the Browning tattoo on her right inside hip too, buddy.
Yeah, he gave
Hell
that.
yeah. I damn sure do.
Describe it.
Okay, and my sister got a matching one.
Alright.
I swear to God, bro.
Alright, come on, go.
What, go on. Let's get it, little baby.
I'll move when I'm ready.
I don't know, he's holding me all tight and shit. Hell yeah.
I didn't chill out. Hang on.
Well, fuck you. Y'all burn.
I'm not trying to be rough with you. Just calm down.
Hey, listen. Who, him?
Stop. That's That's crazy. Well, yes, it is actually. It's the law. What statute? What statute says y'all can say whatever y'all want, right? You know what I'm saying?
Hey, can y'all take me to Walmart and go whoop that bitch's ass?
Don't know who that is, but
The bitch that just fucking goddamn got this shit started. The fuck? Somebody take his ass whooped.
Mine.
wait, you gonna put her in that one? Tell me.
The fuck he do?
Come on. Have a seat. Hey,
Can I get a cigarette, bro, please?
if you cooperate, I don't mind.
Please, they're in the car,
Come
bro.
have a seat for me.
Oh my god.
You got anything on you at all? Any drugs or
I
anything?
mean, fuck. Let me check my bra. I can't shake my bra out, bro. Shake it out, for
I
real.
have a female over here.
I don't
okay?
give a fuck, dog.
I'm not touching
For
you.
real.
Get over here. Get in the car.
The Pierce. Hey, look, for real, though. Take it, cigarette, dog.
If
I
you
got
get
hole in
in
my
the car-
pants.
Yeah, there. Okay, she's here already. Come on.
Hey, listen, look.
You got any illegal drugs on you?
No, but look, my sister and that girl, bro, handed me a diaper bag, bro, and I already seen a buddy, so I took off running. That's why I look like it's suspicious, bro.
Okay.
You hear me?
Yes, ma'am. She said, my twin sister handed me a diaper bag, bro. And then, yeah, they started bitching, and I took off.
Yeah,
running. I was like, sure.
Clothes, dog toys.
Those are brand new too.
Dog food. Those are used. That was brand new, right?
Yeah. Those are-
Yeah. He got charges on what's his name? Yeah.
I don't think he has.
It's always a good sign. Yep, there it is. This is stuff they really knew she stole. Bunch of shit. More jewelry stuff.
Yeah, they said jewelry too.
Stolen. Hey, she also may not even be.
Huh?
She also may be yours.
Once backup flooded the gas station, the game changed. Officers extracted her from the vehicle. With the suspect in cuffs, deputies conducted a probable cause search of the Yukon. On the hood of the truck sat a gray diaper bag, an item she claimed her sister had handed her. But inside, deputies didn't find baby supplies. They pulled out digital scales, drug packaging equipment, a torch lighter, and a massive trafficking weight stash of high-grade methamphetamine crystals.
Well, you didn't say
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Damn.
Daggone. Right there.
I literally,
He does
the
now.
first thing I opened up,
First thing you know, he says not.
I said, giant torch lighter. Oh shit. The torch lighter stuck out first. Anybody got a test?
Yeah.
Actually,
That might.
Is that even real?
That might not even.
that might be horse feed.
Let me see.
I've come across it. If that's real meth,
That's some clean ass mess. If it is. It might be.
It's all different shark
Hey,
shapes.
bro, go ahead and smell it.
Is that a scale? It could be.
Don't, yeah, hold on.
That's some clean.
I'm going to sue and then, see, I want him to be super concerned right now with a search in the car.
Oh, dude, he was definitely.
He said you want him to be
paranoid.
super concerned.
That's why he just wants to get out.
He
He's like,
gassed.
just let me.
No, yeah, he gassed up and was trying to leave whenever I pulled in.
Dude, a scale, Hey, some kid.
I am curious to see if that's real or not.
He's like, he goes,
I gotta see if
right
this
on
is
those
real.
videos. He goes, nada.
I was like, not a torch ladder. Oh shit, a meth. I was like, the torch ladder stuck out first.
Scale too?
Yes, ma'am.
I ain't trying to do shit.
Okay.
See, look, y'all, I'm busting my. Look, this what you do. Hell no, that was
Put
from.
the damn shoes back on.
I got holes in my pants and shit.
Hold on, no, you ain't getting in my car like that. We putting them back to the bag.
What?
You ain't getting in my car
Holes in my
like that.
pants.
But close your legs, I don't
No shit. Okay. At least y'all put me zip ties in the goddamn shackle.
Hey, step out.
Thank you.
I'm gonna fix some cuffs for you.
I was just trying to put my shoe back on. Yeah, because I just grabbed my sister's fucking diaper bag.
No, you ain't worry about that.
Oh, yeah, that's mine.
No, it's a big ass bag in there.
That ain't email. And it's mine.
Turn that for me. Put your hands behind the bag.
Yes, sir. Can I get a cigarette?
I told you if you cool with me, I would.
Alright.
Alright? But you can't be putting your cuffs up front, alright? You can't do that.
Hey, look at my ass. Shit hurts, man. Hey, that's mine. That shit's mine.
The identical twin defense completely collapsed under the weight of a felony search. The suspect, identified as Miranda, was processed into the Columbia County Jail. She walked away with charges of larceny, drug possession, and resisting an officer without violence. But the heaviest blow was a massive charge of amphetamine trafficking, netting her a $250,000 bond and a guaranteed seat in a felony courtroom.